What's up, everybody? I just got these new Joy Tutus grab handles for the Jeep Gladiator. These fit on all Jeep products, and I'm going to remove the old grab handles that I have. We're going to take a closer look at these new Joy Tutus grab handles. We're going to install them on here, test them out, and see how they perform. Now, you can get these on Amazon. You can go to joytutus.com. You can go to their website and get them. But let's take a closer look at these grab handles. So here they are out of the package. I just wanted to show off the great design and the awesome construction of these. These are very heavy duty nylon material. They can hold up to 400 pounds to make it much easier to get in and out of the Jeep for off-roading. And I just wanted to compare these. These were the ones that I had on there before. And you can see just how these are frayed out, and the construction of these is pretty cheap in comparison to how these work with the Velcro. Looks like they have a nice tight fit, and we'll get these installed on the Jeep. But with these ones, they wrap around, then you have all this extra, nylon here that's frayed and coming apart. So you can see the damage that was on my old grab handles. So I'm replacing them with these new Joy Tutus grab handles that I got off Amazon. So I really like these so far, and let's install them. We're gonna test them out and see how they perform. All right, we're gonna install these. Installation is very quick and easy, and I just wanted to show off how these work and how awesome this is with the dual Velcro they have on here. So you slide these through and as Velcro on double sides. So very sturdy, very strong, easy to install. So let's get these installed. So if you're like me, you have the shade topper on here as well when you have the top off. So obviously these handles work great with the roof on or the top off. I'm gonna start by taking these off right here. Super easy installation, very, very sturdy. I can put all my weight on this. Makes it really easy to get in and out of the Jeep. And so if you have kids or your mom's short like me and it's hard to get in and out of the lifted Jeep, well, this makes it really easy, not to mention the added security that you get on the off-road trail. So yeah, these things are really sturdy and easy to install. The last thing I wanted to go over, if you have a shade topper on like I do, you can see how these straps go over and connect to these hooks right here. And this can actually scuff up the paint when this thing's flapping in the wind a lot. So with these Joy Tutus grab handles, this actually covers up the paint and protects the paint as well if you do have the shade topper on there. So very cool little added bonus feature for these. So end of the day, I highly recommend these Joy Tutus grab handles. You can get them on Amazon right now. They're only $11.99 for a pair. I got front and rear, so you can get front and rear 4 handles for less than $30. So definitely check them out. Check out joytutus.com, but check them out on Amazon for sure. These are definitely by far the best grab handles out there. I replaced my old set and I'm really, really liking these. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out my videos. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about these grab handles. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already to get updates on the next off-road videos from Gladiator 4x4 Beast. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, see you on the trail.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?